In this video, I'll be teaching you how to cut a long sleeve that will be having a cuff at the bottom. So guys, watch to the end. Let's get started. The first thing is to make sure you fold your fabrics in two and you fold it this way, just like this. Also make sure to arrange it, then iron in order for the material to be relaxed. After ironing, we'll then take the measurement for the length. The length of the sleeve is 23.5, so we'll remove 1 inch, giving us 22.5 inches. The reason why we remove the 1 inch is because we'll be adding a cuff to it. After that, we'll measure the roundness of the cuff, giving us 6 inches, 5 inch for the cuff, then 1 inch for sewing allowance. Then at the top here, we'll also measure 6 inch out. This will be used for the curve of the armhole. So I'm doing a freehand sketching for our armhole, giving us a shape of an S, inverted S. I'm also taking the measurement to correspond with my own measurement, which is 12.5 inch. After that, we'll connect the lines together for the sleeve length. So this is me connecting it together. Then we'll also connect from the armhole to the sleeve length, which is the 6 inches we mark. You can connect it using a straight ruler like this if you want the sleeve to be big, or you can use this curve if you want it to be fitted. So this is me giving you the two examples of how you can cut your sleeve. Please note, you have to use only one, not the two. So if you want it to be free, use the first one. If you want it to be fitted, use the second one. After that, you cut it out. In my next video, I'll be teaching you how to cut the curve and how to attach the curve to the sleeve. So guys, make sure you subscribe and also hit the like button.